the camp that I had, the results that I got, I was shocked again. In that little camp, but it took us 4 or 5 days to organize. The response that we got from the people, it was awesome. And almost 35% of the people came out positive. As per doctors and experts of hepatitis said that those are going to
Which hepatitis?
hepatitis B about 17% and the remaining was B%. C. We did not do A. Yeah, we did a B and C. Like I said, as per doctors, those people are going to die because there's no cure in Pakistan. There's medical say that there's a cure for C also or something, but there's no cure in Pakistan. Since that thing really shook me up completely, so now I want you to do something practically, not only the talk. Like I already mentioned, I already had the burning desire in me, and I want to do something for those people. So I put together my team. I talked to the people and all that, and I came up with this little idea that how and what policies and what we should do so the people, local people from the area can benefit from them. Considering that, I came up with these are the clinical policies. I set up this goal that since I'm not a big organization and I'm not the government either, and I'm not going to be able to provide a cure for the positive people. That's a government level job. All we can do, which is actually affect also even in this country or even in Western countries, that and Judy also the one who works in the Bell College of Medicine told me that by creating or providing the awareness, you can reduce the 80% of the problems, 80% of any contagious disease, if you really provide a very effective information to the masses, to the people. Information and awareness is extremely important to control any contagious disease. That's why I set up my goals. And these are not probably the perfect ones, but these are the ones that I chose. There's no wrong and right. Whoever wants to do a good job, let him do it. That's why my goals, I set up the 3 goals. Number 1, to create the awareness. Number 2, to create the awareness. And number 3 is also to create the awareness. Awareness and awareness and awareness. That's what we can do. And that's just it. Next slide. Next slide. Awareness, I'm sorry. For awareness, we set out this goal that we are going to have the 5 centers in Sindh. Will be well implied with social mobilizers. Those people's task will be just to go out there, print the flyers, print the pamphlets, brochures, and all that kind of stuff, in the schools, in the bus stations, in the villages, everywhere. It's just going to be just like a big campaign against this hepatitis, going everywhere. People at this time, they are doing it right now in Pakistan. And I'd like to thank them, and I want you to give them a big hand also, because people who are there, they are spending about 12 to 15 hours daily, my team people, printing the flyers, going out there, giving the information to the masses, and also talking. I would also like to thank you to Mr. Edios over there, which are helping us in big time. So actually, there were a couple of the slides that was a conclusion, but they're not coming along. And time is very short, as Paul said. I'd like to conclude it, and I also like to thank them again, and I also like to thank you, thanks to Sana, to provide us this extremely beautiful platform where we can come and share our feelings and our ideas. Thank you.